Hello everyone, I'm Em. Welcome back to TechBlock. Today we have a Wi-Fi card that I bought on Amazon, and we're going to be installing it inside of our main rig, which is of course sitting right here on the table. The lovely Razer Edition PC build that we are, still working on, I suppose. I still can't get that PC build to work with Razer Synapse whatsoever. For some reason, it's meant to be detected within Synapse, and you're meant to be able to control all the LED lighting effects of this PC case, because this is, after all, the Razer Edition LiQWYD PC 011 Dynamic PC. And we're meant to be able to control all the LED lights on here, the one at the front and the underglow LEDs that we have down here as well. Both for that side of the case and this side of the case. It's just decked out of LED lighting. Unfortunately, I can't control any of it. I wish I could, but yeah, for some reason Synapse hates me and doesn't want to detect this as a product that we can configure and mess around with. So I don't know what's up with that. I don't know if I need to download software for this PC in order to control the LED lighting, but nothing works. Regardless of the LED lighting problems with this case, it's still very nice and I still very much do love this case. Just look at it, man. Look at this beauty. It's just decked out with RGB. And it's of course the Razer Edition PC case. Anyway, getting back to the topic at hand instead of talking about RGB all day, I ended up buying a Wi-Fi card on Amazon. Now this is one that I think supports Wi-Fi 6. It's definitely one of the better ones out there, yeah. It supports Wi-Fi 6. So, the new technology that's come out for Wi-Fi, and apparently, it's rated for 2,974 megabits per second of data. And it also has Bluetooth 5.0. So not only do you get a Wi-Fi card, you also get a Bluetooth card as well. 2-in-1 combo, very nice. And this little PCIe card does of course come with 2 antennas as well that are external, so we can plug those in, screw those in, and then get some better speeds out here. But yeah, pretty excited about this one. I've never actually really had a Wi-Fi card in a custom PC build. The MSI PC that I was using prior to this Razer Edition PC build that's all custom built, that MSI PC did have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, I'm guessing just on board on the motherboard. The motherboard that we're currently using is of course the ROG Crosshair 7 Hero that we got right there. That's inside of the Razer PC build of course, but it has 2 variations, alright? One is the non-Wi-Fi, non-Bluetooth version, the one that we have right here unfortunately, because for some reason I cheaped out and I'm like, dude, I'm not gonna need Wi-Fi, why would I need Bluetooth either, man? I just didn't really think ahead, because at the time, I really wasn't using Wi-Fi really for the PC. I was always on Ethernet. I was loyal to staying with Ethernet only. But Wi-Fi technology has evolved quite a bit. And especially if you have a good router and good Wi-Fi coverage in your home, using Wi-Fi really isn't a bad experience nowadays. Especially if you have a good router and you pair that good router with a good Wi-Fi card, right? It should be a good time. So I ended up picking up one of these cards right here that are definitely more on the high-end side of things, even though this is, not expensive or anything. It's just a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth card. This one I think is around £30 on Amazon. So if you want to go buy this one for your own PC build or whatever, I'll let you know if I recommend it. Link in the description down below. But I will run some speed tests. I will kind of try to put it to the test. The internet speeds here, as most of you already know, aren't amazing. But instead of running internet speed tests, I'm going to try run speed tests over Wi-Fi, but for local files. So I'm going to try transfer files from this PC over to my server over Wi-Fi and see how the performance is. I'm expecting it to hopefully, not be too bad. So we'll see what happens, we'll see what we can do. But the speeds that we should be able to achieve with this card should be pretty nice. And I really don't think there's going to be any kind of latency problems. Now, the actual point of me even buying one of these Wi-Fi cards / Bluetooth cards, that there is a genuine reason why I bought this for the PC. I understand that it's kind of going to look, maybe a little bit ugly inside. It's not the nicest thing on earth, but, we kind of have to get it for the sake of convenience, because I still have 2 ISPs for this apartment. I have BT and then I have EE. BT ADSL connection, very slow speeds, and then I have my EE 4G LTE broadband that I also pay for. That one has a way better speeds, but it's data capped. So what I'm doing is I need to have a Wi-Fi card in order to access the 4G network like this. So I can switch between my BT internet and then my 4G internet, just back and forth very easily. Because whenever I want to upload a video now, I'm doing all my work on this PC I will edit the videos, I'll record them all, you know, do all that stuff. And when it comes to wanting to upload the video, I run into a little bit of a problem where I have to take the file from this PC, upload it either on an external hard drive or just pop it on the server, then access those files that I uploaded on the local server via like another PC that can connect via Wi-Fi to my 4G LTE router. So it's kind of a pain in the ass whenever I want to like upload anything, because I literally have to switch PCs in order to upload big files. And having a Wi-Fi card would really alleviate this problem, as I could just like switch Wi-Fi network like this instead of having to like go back and forth between different PCs. So this is the reason why I bought the Wi-Fi card. Not only that, but this Wi-Fi card does also come with a Bluetooth 5.0 support, so I can use things like the Razer AirPods via the Bluetooth mode for this PC, and it allows me to review, you know, like Bluetooth devices like earbuds and stuff, wireless keyboards, wireless mice that have Bluetooth support with this PC now. So having Bluetooth support and Wi-Fi is really gonna help me, and it's genuinely like a worthwhile upgrade to do. So without further ado, I'm gonna stop talking, and I think we should open up this PC, shut it all down, and finally upgrade it. Also, let me know what you guys think of the lighting in this room. We have some brand new like lighting LED studio lights, courtesy of Newer. So massive shout out to Newer for actually hooking those up. They're actually just behind the camera here in each corner of the room. They're like fully LED. There are tons of LEDs in them. Very customizable. So if you are a YouTuber as well, highly recommend you check them out. Loving these lights. They're definitely more high-end than the ones I was using previously, and hopefully that reflects in the actual video quality now. To be honest, the lighting in this room I feel like has never been better since I got these lights. Shutting down. This really will not take long, like upgrading a Wi-Fi card, popping this guy in, probably gonna be like a 2-minute job. Just plug it in and plug in the USB connector. That's it, man. I've just noticed that this Wi-Fi card actually came with a little screwdriver, man. So I don't even have to use my own. I doubt this is magnetic or anything. It's probably like some cheap screwdriver, but it comes with screws, everything, man. Everything you need. So should be a pretty easy upgrade, man. This is all shut down. Let's unplug it all. This PC case is enormous though, and definitely on the, you know, the heavier side of things. Alright, so with this Lian Li build, you have to like unscrew the
Calling
top.
with Alexa is not supported on this device.
What do you mean? So you're gonna take the top panel off of this case first, followed by the side panel right here, because I think this is all we're gonna have to really take off. Boom, that's all disassembled, and all I have to do is find like a spare USB port. Conveniently enough, this is also a single slot card, and well, we're done with the upgrade, man. Like, even if you're not very experienced with PC building, installing something like a Wi-Fi card into most PCs is generally going to be very easy, especially if it's like a custom built PC or even a pre-built PC that's kind of high-end but doesn't happen to come with Wi-Fi. Adding a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth card like this generally takes like a couple minutes, man. And as I mentioned earlier, this does of course come with 2 external antennas, which we have right here. As you can see at the bottom here, there's going to be 2 connectors that you're going to screw the Wi-Fi antennas onto. There you go, the Wi-Fi antennas are screwed in. We have our graphics card here, and at the very bottom, a little Wi-Fi extension card there as well. The 2 antennas pointing this way should be absolutely fine. Let's pop this PC back on the desk. Let's turn it back on. You know, it turns on. That's a good sign. Now, will it detect everything straight away? Maybe, but we're gonna probably have to install some drivers for this Wi-Fi card. But I think Windows might just like do it itself. I don't know, we'll see what happens. This is like the first time in a very long time that I've installed a Wi-Fi card, because I think the last time I'd done this was back when I was in college, installing Wi-Fi cards inside of like some old PC. All right, we're in Windows, we're loaded in, and we have now passed 99,000 subscribers, dude. What the hell? Do we have any Wi-Fi at all? As you can see, I've opened up Windows Update and it's found Bluetooth. So I'm guessing it's gonna set up the Wi-Fi card for us in just a moment. It's already downloaded all the drivers, it's just about to install them. So that's gonna be very nice. We're gonna have Wi-Fi literally in a few seconds, and my Elgato Stream Deck also is getting updated right now. Installing Elgato Stream Deck. Lovely stuff. So I've opened up my network connections thing, and straight away it's found Bluetooth and now Wi-Fi. So we can double press on this and boom, this is the network that I've wanted to connect to. Netgear 03. This is the 4G network, dude. Yes, like literally didn't have to bother going on Google or anything, downloading drivers. All there, all done for me. Hopefully that's the right Wi-Fi password I just typed in. It is, man. Okay, we can straight away hop onto a speed test. All right, I've opened up speed test. As you can see, we are on the EE 4G network. Let's see what we get. Now, don't expect these to be amazing because the router, I think I have to like reconfigure my 4G modem once again, but ping is pretty good. The download speed generally maybe creeps up to around 100, but it really kind of depends on how it's feeling at that moment. At the moment we're getting around 70, 74, so this is kind of all over the place. It's normal. Yeah, it can jump up. Generally this will probably go up to around 100 or so. And then the upload speed, this is lately it's been on 30. Now, for a while I managed to get it locked on to about 60 megabits per second. Actually now it's climbed up to 47 even. So that's not doing too bad. That really isn't. I did buy an external antenna that I have to set up again. But anyway, these are the results. 25 ping, 80.28 download, and 47.65 for the upload. Not too bad over a Wi-Fi card we literally just installed. We can try out a more stable network, which is of course Netgear Orbi, which is my BT ISP. The ping on there and the download speed should be way more consistent, as that is normal ADSL broadband. And even though it is ADSL, I think it's still actually like pretty stable broadband. That network doesn't really go down. It's just that the upload speed on there is terrible. All right, we're running another speed test, this time with BT, my ADSL ISP, 12 millisecond ping. This is the ISP I do use for gaming, of course, as it does have the lower latency. And believe me, gaming on 4G LTE, not a good time, would not recommend it. And here we go, man, 12 millisecond ping, download speed 19.24, and then the upload speed is absolutely terrible. Yeah, we're getting around like 0.8, 0.9. It's awful, man, really bad upload speed. This is why I need the Wi-Fi card, so I can switch from this potato upload speed, because you ain't gonna be uploading nothing with 0.88 megabits per second for your upload. So yeah, I'm gonna switch from this over to 4G whenever I need to download or even upload anything quickly, and it's gonna be so good, man. And just before I end today's video, I'm currently running one final test. This is over local network, so LAN, and I'm transferring at about 280 megabits per second. I think this is slowly climbing up actually, so it's slowly getting up there. But will it reach 300? Yes, it will. So yeah, we're slowly creeping up the speeds, transferring over Wi-Fi from this PC over Wi-Fi to my server. So we're not doing too bad there. 31 megabytes per second, like 300 megabits there. Really not too bad. Really not too bad at all. Just transferred a 1.33 gig file in a couple seconds from this PC over to my server, just like that really. Pretty good. Over Wi-Fi, man. Not over Ethernet, just over Wi-Fi. Not bad. But apart from that, guys, thank you all so much for watching. Just been a quick little video taking a look at my new Wi-Fi card and why I bought one, and why maybe you would consider buying one for yourself too, as having Wi-Fi support and having Bluetooth support for your PC, especially this day and age, can be quite beneficial, especially if you're like a YouTuber or you're in a similar situation like me, where you kind of have to constantly keep switching Wi-Fi networks because you have, let's say, two ISPs, a slow one and a fast one. Maybe some of you are in a similar boat as me, and maybe this video could help some of you out. So yeah, apart from that, guys, link in the description down below to, of course, the Wi-Fi card that I featured today. Not sponsored or anything, just a Wi-Fi card that I bought myself on Amazon. But yeah, guys, hope to see you in another video soon, where we might just be unboxing an RGB gaming router from Asus. An RGB router, dude. Wow. All right, hope to see you in another video soon.